Let us now find the area of regular polygons. As you can see, we have here a polygon, and I draw lines from the center to the vertex. So we can see the congruent triangles. If it is a regular polygon, then for sure it will be giving us congruent triangles when we draw lines like this. It is important that we draw lines or show the triangles, the congruent triangles, because the number of these congruent triangles is very important in finding the area of the whole polygon. So after drawing these lines, we have come up with 8 congruent triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us write that here because we will be needing that in finding the area of our regular polygon here. Now, if it is an 8-sided polygon, like this one, we call it an octagon. Okay. Now, in finding the area of a regular polygon, it is important that you remember how to find the area of a triangle. Since, as you can see, we have made different triangles here. And again, these triangles are congruent. So that means the area of one triangle will be the same for the other triangles. Going back to the area of triangles, we have A equals 1/2 times the base times the height, or A equals 1/2 BH. So here, we have the base that is 3.3 inches and our height is 4 inches. So we are just going to substitute those given to find the area of one triangle. So one triangle will have an area of 1/2 times the base, which is 3.3, times the height, that is 4. So just like what you know from before, you can find half of 3.3, or you can find half of 4 first, then multiply it by 3.3, or you can multiply 3.3 first by 4 and then find its half. It's up to you, whatever is easier for you, as long as you follow the order of operation, then that will be correct. So in this case, we can see that 4 can easily be divided into 2. So we can use that for it to be easier for us. Or we can also find the product of 3.3 and 4, and then the answer will be divided in 2, or we'll multiply it by 1/2. So let us use that. Suppose we have, let's copy 1/2, and then let us find the product of 3.3 and 4. So that will give us 13.2. After finding the product of 3.3 and 4, then we will find its half. And half of 13.2 is 6.6. So that means the area of one triangle is 6.6 square inches. Now, what if we use a different way? What if we find first half of 4? So, I'll just show it to you just in case you want to use that one, and I will show you that it will give you the same answer. So, it will be A is 1/2 times 3.3 times 4. So, if we find half of 4 first, that will give us 2. And 2 will be multiplied by 3.3. And as you can see, 2 times 3.3 will still give us 6.6, which is the same as this one. Now, going back to this is the area of just one triangle. And we know that in our regular polygon here, we have 8 triangles. So you just have to multiply the area of one triangle by the number of triangles given in your polygon. Since we have here an 8-sided polygon, or a polygon with 8 congruent triangles, then to find the area of the whole polygon, we will just multiply the area of one triangle by the number of congruent triangles, that is 8. And when we multiply that, that will give us 52.8 square inches. So the area of our regular polygon here is 52.8 square inches.